Happy Saturday! Join me again in this artsy, crafty, fun, and yummy weekend as we learn how to create different, creative, and meaningful projects. I am Teacher Dette and this is Teacher Vibal Weekend Special, where we will engage in experiments, explore do-it-yourself activities, and many more. Bracelets, rings, necklaces, and earrings are some of the things we like to wear to match our clothing and to express our personality and creativity. Styles and trends and accessories continuously develop through time due to the different influences from the environment. For today's episode, we are going back in time to discover some of the most beautiful accessories that were made to show our rich Filipino culture. We are also going to make our own Philippine tribe-inspired accessories. Ready to begin? Let's go! Before we proceed to our do-it-yourself project for today, let me first invite you all to a magical learning experience at home with Vibal's Happy Homeschool program. Check the link in the description to learn more. The Philippines is known for its rich culture and history. The Philippine traditional style is born out of the cultural aesthetic and influences that transpired from the history of the many regions in this country, with each having its own identity and beauty. This extends even to the accessories worn by the Filipinos across time. As fashion changes throughout the years and decades, accessories or pieces of jewelry evolved as well. While jewelry has always added a visual appeal, historically it carried more weight than mere aesthetics. Jewelry helped establish one's social rank, marital status, and membership within a tribe. One of the known tribes in Luzon is the Kalinga tribe. Kalinga people are known to be curators of beads. Their beadwork for necklaces is characterized by a series of several strands of beads made of berries, seeds, shells, and stones. Later on, they also use glass beads. Their necklaces can be short like the Delisdis, a multi-strand necklace that measures up to 16 to 18 inches with 5 millimeters beads used. But there is also the Winayway arrangement that uses large beads measuring up to 3 inches displayed in a long strand. It has been a tradition to pass down their jewelry to their descendants. They do not disassemble it, rather, they add another strand or layer of beads to the jewelry passed to them. In Visayas and other parts of Mindanao, one of the most famous tribal jewelry is the baliog. It looks like a multi-layered choker or necklace consisting of metal or glass beads, hollowed seeds, pearls, and copper or brass ornaments. There are two types of baliog. For Suludnon people of Panay, their necklace is made up of strips of cloth with traditional embroidery called panubok. Then, it has a decorated border made of beads, usually with coins dangling at the end. For the Lumad people of Mindanao, particularly the Manobo groups, baliog is a multi-layered choker worn by women. It has a fringe of more beads and ornaments like pearls, shells, and amulets. Wearing this is very important among Manobo people because it identifies one specific tribe and status. The largest baliog is called ginibang, meaning monitor lizard due to its pattern resembling the animal. Now, how about making paper beads to showcase this rich Filipino culture and history? Sounds interesting? Come on! For our paper beads, we will be needing papers. It can be newspapers, book pages, paper painted with watercolors or colored paper. Scissors, pen or pencil, glue, ruler, toothpick or stick, and string. You may also use paint for a richer and more colorful design. Ready to begin? Let's go! First, position your paper facing downwards. We are going to use some paper bead templates for different shapes. Next, using a ruler and pen or pencil, draw your bead paper template shapes onto the back of the sheet of the paper. Cut the paper bead template with a craft knife, ruler, or scissors. Next, place a toothpick or stick on the long edge of the paper triangle. Then, gently roll the strip of paper for about half a centimeter and add glue. Continue rolling to the end of the triangle towards the pointy edge and secure the end with glue. Place the stick into a piece of floral foam or styrofoam and allow the glue to dry. Set aside. Continue rolling paper strips until you have the desired amount of paper beads. You can also make different shapes according to the design of the accessories that we are going to make. You may color the ends of the beads using a marker or craft paint if you like. Once the glue dries up, gently remove the sticks. Now we have our own paper beads. Through the different shapes of these beads, we can now create some necklaces and bracelets that are inspired by our own culture. Now, let's create our own accessories. Take your string and cut it to your desired length for your necklace or bracelet. Then, make a knot or attach a safety pin at one end of your string. Now, thread your beads to the string based on your desired design. Leave 3 inches of string at the end. Lastly, tie the 2 ends of the string and try it on. We now have our own Philippine tribe-inspired accessories made out of paper beads. Wow! Did you have fun making your own paper beads and transforming them into beautiful accessories? I hope you did! So that's it for today. I hope these activities help you appreciate our rich Filipino culture and at the same time improve your fashion sense. Show your work and creativity by wearing it proudly and confidently. Again, I am Teacher Dette, reminding you to relax, keep calm, and stay crafty. See you again next week for more do-it-yourself videos here in Teacher Vibal Weekend Special.